Hi guys, it's Mary, and I have two auto ships from Diamond Press that just came in. I've got the Nesting Floral Slimline die card, or card die kit, and unfortunately this is the last auto ship for this series, so that's gonna be sad. But you know, like I've said before, I haven't gotten a lot of, haven't seen a lot of auto ships that I care enough to have. So, all right, so this is the Floral Nesting Slimline. So this one looks really, really pretty. So let's give this a look. So let me know if you have been getting the auto ships for this. Of course, we're stuck. Look at how pretty these drop-ins are. All right. So we've got the folder that goes in the storage box. We've got the long cutting folder. And let's take a look here. We've got not sure what that's. Best wishes. Best wishes. There we go. It was upside down. So we've got a flower, a butterfly, and then the best wishes. And then flowers, looks like leaves, and a butterfly in the dies. And then let's take a look. At the stamps. So we've got sisters, friends, you are special, bunches, friend, so glad we are. Oh, this is so pretty with the flowers on one wing and then the regular wing. Family, the sky's the limit, lovely inside and out. Flowers, leaves, butterfly, a rose, different leaves, a little side butterfly. So they've got the dies to cut those out. And then let's see what these say. Beautiful, you made my day. It's your day to shine. You're on my mind. This one's got to be upside down. I'm sorry you're going through this. That's nice. That's really nice. So let's take a look. I don't know about you, but I really have to organize my Diamond Press so that I can start using them, you know, get them so that they're handy and not just put away somewhere where I don't think about them. Love those. So remember a lot of these from the other sets, they are interchangeable, so they're gonna fit in with the different ones. Pretty. This is pretty. It's got a nice scalloped edge with a sewing edge too. All right, so let's see what this one says. It shows different. All right, so they're just showing you like You could use it this way, you could use it this way, just different ways. So, and then of course I always pair up everything in case you can't figure it out yourself. And then here are the stencils and what they look like, and then the little ones, and then some art to give you some inspiration. So let's take a look at these stencils. All right, so we've got a little note. I like that font. A rose. Thank you and hello. A little place to put a stamp saying in there. See if you can. All right. And then let's take a look at the all right, so we've got branches. Lattice. Vines. And pinwheels. This pinwheel, the other look familiar, like we've had something, not the first one, but the other ones. But this one, I don't recall seeing anything like this. So this will be fun. That will be fun. So we've got 4 of the slimline stencils and 4 of the little stencils. So, all right, so that's that one. And so I also got the multimedia. And there's only one more of these left. So this is the next to the last one. So let's take a look. Throw this down here. This one is called Celebration. The last one, which comes in April, is going to be called Tropical. So sorry for all the noise. All right. So let's take a look at the colors. This one's called Celebration. So we've got, it says pink, orange, and turquoise, but this looks more like a light magenta. So, and then we've got the regular, if I can get them out of here. It's a tacky paste and a texture paste, which I'm going to have those forever. I'm never going to need to buy one. And then this is lavender screen print ink. Very pretty. Of course, I would think so, since purple's my favorite color. Cyan, the blue screen print. And glitter, blue is lilac. You know I like that one. And then the foil is kind of Well, it's silver, but it also kind of has a little bit of a hologram-like look to it. So, all right, so that's those. So let's take a look. Put this aside. And then let's see the stamps. Cute fonts. You're amazing. Wishes. You did it. Treat yourself. It's your day. Time to you. Have an awesome. So much to time. And let's. So those usually go along with the stencils or the screen prints. So let's see. Let's see what these say. So we've got happy birthday. Then we've got birthday. Celebrate. Way to go. That'd be good for graduations. Hooray. Cheers. And then we've got party and congrats. So those are good. I like them. I like the fonts. So those are our little ones. And then the screen prints. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we got some different sizes. We've got, oh, how cute. A big cupcake. And that cupcake is a good 3 and a little bit over 3.5 by 2.5. It's a good size. Could definitely put that on the front of a A2 card. And then I guess that's supposed to be like a splat that you can put a color on and then put something over it. These are sticking together for some reason. And a present. Balloons. Oh, that's cute. A happy face. Shooting star. Oh, I like that. Let's celebrate. And happy birthday. I like those a lot. So those are our screen prints. And the screen prints don't just necessarily have to go on fabric. They can go on paper without a problem. All right, and then our big stencils. All right, we've got confetti. Looks like it might go in that direction. Or wait, falling and then piling up. Yeah, that makes more sense. So confetti, celebration stripes, and then this one is called sparkles. So that would be cool. And glitter. So that's it. I'm going to be sad when this next time, when the last of the multimedia is done. Mixed media, not multimedia. The mixed media when it's done, because I've really enjoyed getting all the the stencils and the screen prints and stuff. And there's our little printout. Happy birthday, let's celebrate. I like the way they did that. Happy birthday to you. That's the stamp and stencil combinations. Have an awesome birthday. And then the rest is just the regular instructions. So, all right, so that's it. Let me know in comments if you've gotten either of these. And if you've used them. I've used a couple of the stencils, and I've used quite a bit. In fact, I was just using the iridescent glitter paste just yesterday. So I've been using the glitter and stuff, the paste. And so, all right, well, that's it for this one. What else? Oh, still working on getting to 500 subscribers so that we could have a free giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed and you want to, you can hit that subscribe button, and if you hit the bell, it'll send you notification when there is a new video to watch. There's also the very important like button. If you like a video, it's so nice to hit that like button. It means a lot to the YouTubers, especially little ones like my channel. So yeah, so that's it, I guess. Yeah, I'm sad. Like I said, let me know how you feel. They've come to an end. Also, let me know if you've signed up for any other auto ships that I may have missed this last craft day. I don't know. Usually I record, but nothing recorded this time. I don't know if they were called something different. I don't know, but when I sat down in the evening, there was nothing there. So it saved me money, I guess. So, all right, that's it. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate, you know, I have a lot of people that will come by and watch that aren't subscribers, and that's fine. The more the merrier. So thank you very much. Everybody's life is so busy. I appreciate any time that you take to spend a little time watching a video of mine. All right, so until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.